This one street was the whole trip, Andrássy Avenue, Budapest. I was curious about Andrássy Avenue even before I landed in Budapest. I mean, how can you not be curious about a street that's casually called the Champs-Élysées of Hungary? That's a bold claim. As soon as the airport bus dropped me into the city, bags barely touched the floor, I opened up Google Maps and went looking. I found the street, and honestly, first impression, it's just a street, shops, buildings, some traffic. What's so special? But then I decided to walk it, and that's when it started to change. The buildings slowly got fancier, not show-offy, just dignified. That old European kind of fancy where the windows are taller than you and the balconies all seem to have secrets. Then suddenly, the Hungarian State Opera House. Just sitting there like it's not a big deal, massive, elegant, dramatic, like it's about to burst into song any second. And then, the trees. They line the street like they've seen empires fall. You pass old bookstores, outdoor cafes, embassy gates that look like they belong in a spy movie. Every block feels like a different mood. And as you keep walking, the street widens, like it's opening up for something big. You start to see statues in the distance. And then Heroes Square, massive, symmetrical, almost intimidating, but beautiful. You look back down the avenue and realize you just walked through a timeline. Palais-like villas, the House of Terror Museum, the former Ballet Institute. It's all packed into this one stretch. And it's long, seriously long, but cool in that I feel cinematic kind of way. So no, it might not be the Champs-Élysées. There's less flash, fewer crowds, not as much hype. But honestly, Andrássy Avenue gives it competition. In charm, in elegance, in quiet, confident beauty. If you've ever walked a street that quietly stayed with you long after the trip ended, tell me what it was. I'm collecting those kinds of memories, and don't forget to subscribe for more.